In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Elevenlabs yell without distortion. First, open your Elevenlabs dashboard. Once you are inside, go to the left side of the screen and select Text-to-Speech. This is where you will create the voice output and adjust the settings that help produce a stronger, louder performance without ruining the audio quality. Next, paste or type your script into the text box. If you want a specific word or sentence to sound like a yell, write that part in all caps and add multiple exclamation marks. This helps signal that you want more intensity and energy in the delivery. It's a simple change, but it can make a noticeable difference in how the voice performs. Now move to the right side under Settings and choose a voice from the drop-down list. The voice you choose matters a lot here. Some voices are naturally deeper, rougher, or more guttural. And those usually handle yelling better than higher-pitched voices. Higher voices tend to distort more easily when pushed too hard. So if your result sounds harsh or clipped, try switching to a deeper voice from the voice library. After that, fine-tune the voice settings. Distortion usually happens when the AI is effectively pushing the audio waveform too hard, causing clipping or overload. To reduce that, set stability somewhere around 30 to 40%. Lower stability gives the voice more movement, emotion, and expressiveness, which helps for yelling. If stability is too high, the result can sound overly calm, controlled, or robotic. Then adjust similarity to around 75 to 85%. This setting helps maintain clarity and keep the yelling crisp. If the output starts sounding fuzzy or unnatural, lower the similarity slightly and test again until it sounds cleaner. Next, under Text-to-Speech settings, select the model and choose 11v3. This model is especially useful because it works well with audio tags. In your script, place your cursor where you want the yelling to happen and add direction cues in square brackets, such as yell, yelling, or angry tone. These cues help guide the performance and make the intention much clearer. You can also adjust the stability mode to creative, natural, or robust, depending on which one gives you the cleanest and most convincing result. One more important tip: reduce the text chunk. Don't try to generate a full paragraph of yelling all at once. Instead, generate just a few words at a time. Shorter sections usually give you much better control and reduce the chance of distortion. Once everything looks good, click Generate Speech. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.